Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPOL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to associate a course or a class with a measure. Let's get started. This step is often overlooked when creating measures, but it is required to ensure the courses appear when creating your findings. For measures assessed outside courses or classes, please contact msu.assessment@murraystate.edu for further information and assistance. Now, to associate a course or class with a measure, make sure you have selected the correct academic year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu on the SPOL homepage. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. You should be redirected to the All Assessments by Program page. Then, select the PLO associated with a measure where a course or class will be linked. For this example, we will choose PLO 3. You will then be redirected to the Program Learning Outcome Details page. Click the Measure tab. Select the measure where a course or class will be linked. Click the title of the measure. From the Measure Details page, click the Associate Courses heading. The Associated Courses window pane will then appear where you can select the course or class to be linked. Finally, click Save. And there you have it. You just associated a course to a measure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about Outcomes Assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!